Hear this vision I had. I had a vision where I saw 3 angels were just following me wherever I was going.
Greetings, welcome again to another episode of Your Prophecy. In this episode, Prophet Bushiri shares a vision that he saw and what will happen to people that follows his ministry and Christians around the world. So I'll leave you to watch this video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and God bless you.
Hear this vision I had. I had a vision where I saw 3 angels were just following me wherever I was going. At first, I thought they were people I knew. But the more they were following, the more I began to notice some divine features around them. Then I realized they were angels. So, as they were following me, I entered in a particular building. And it looked like an old abandoned building. Now, it had different partitions. When I entered the first partition, it looked like it had a lot of spider webs. And when I was still standing there looking in this building, these 3 angels were standing right there. Now, as I was still wondering about the building, something happened supernaturally. Everything was cleaned within seconds. There were furnitures, painted, everything. And I was surprised. And these 3 disappeared. And when the vision disappeared, the Lord spoke to me. He said, what needs human effort? When favor is there, you don't need that effort. What you cannot do with human effort, favor can do it for you. Now, as I'm praying for you, I am reminded of this vision. Whatever you have tried on your own, what effort could not do for you, what your own abilities couldn't do, you will receive a special favor. That this favor will begin to work for you and will begin to do certain things for you. And God will give you a sign in the next 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 from today. Count from today, from the 13th day, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. Something is going to happen. And somebody is going to testify. Somebody is going to testify. Receive in the mighty name of Jesus. I said receive in the mighty name of Jesus.